Hi guys, this is Chelly with The Beauty Pure, and today we're going to be covering how to prep for an acrylic enhancement. The first thing I am going to do for prepping, I will slightly push back the cuticle, gently. Once I've done that, I will grab my diamond ball bit. With the diamond bit, I am just going to remove any of the loose cuticle. Let's make sure we dust off this debris. I am grabbing the mandrel and the sander, putting it together. I highly recommend you using a fine grit on your sander. You don't want to damage the nail plate. I reduce my speed and I gently go through the nail plate, removing every type of shine. Now, if you feel more comfortable using a hand file, you're more than welcome to do it that way too. Let me grab the sides of the nail and just reduce that a little bit. You could also file up and down to remove all of the shine if you are using your hand file. And with that, we have removed all of the oils from the nail surface. Now we go for our two steps, which is our nail dehydrator and our super bond. I'm starting with the dehydrator first. Now I am going to use the super bond, which is my adhesive. And less is more, there's no need to apply too much product. And that's it. My nail is ready for an enhancement.